Hi guys, and welcome to new video on this channel. Today's video will be start of the series of videos. Learn more about cloud and work. You can go to oracle.com cloud free. So when you land on this page, you can see it says Oracle Cloud Free tier. You can sign in, start for free, and here you have some explanation what to expect and how it free tier works. So when you go to start, so when you go to Oracle Cloud Free tier, this page, you will be prompted to enter your country territory, first name, last name, email, and then after which you need to verify your email. On email, you're gonna get your confirmation. When you click it, you can just continue step by step on setting up your Oracle account. It's easy setup, so you just follow up. When you set up all that, you can just go and log into your cloud account. On dashboard, you're gonna land here. I already changed it here to black, but usually you're gonna land it like this on. You're gonna have color mode, it's gonna be light mode. Yeah. So when you land on this page, it's gonna be like this, really bright white. So I just change it here, console settings, just click a dark mode. It's much nicer for eyes. So today was first time me seeing this page, and it's pretty much simple, as I can see. Everything have nice layout. And then if you scroll more down, you have here getting started, where you can check documentation and you can learn more how to use Oracle Cloud. At least for me, I started with this one, getting started. In this documentation, you can go and read and learn more about it, how to do it, how to set up, what you need to do first, second, third, and so on. As well, you have workshop and sprints where you can really learn everything one by one. For now, if I go here on the top, here navigation menu in top left corner, you can see everything. You can see much more here, what you can set up, you can do. I will go to compute and I will go to instances. As you can see, I do not have any instance created yet. Nothing. Everything is still empty. Compartment, it's a root level. Because I was reading documentation, I'm gonna create SSH keys so I can SSH from my machine to cloud. I'll go here, developer tools, and when you click it, you're gonna have pop-up Cloud Shell and code editor. I still did not check code editor, so I don't know anything about it. There is still time. This is just the first video in this series. I will go Cloud Shell, and you're gonna see here at the bottom, it's creating your Oracle Cloud Shell machine. I already did one time this, so I went through this, just checking, seeing, and everything. When you land first time on this shell, you're gonna have option to choose yes or no. Do you want to see tutorial how to use it? I choose yes, and I went through tutorial, so I already set up everything. What I need to do, I will just clear this, and if I print working directory and enter, I will see that I'm in home directory of my cloud account name. If I ls, there is absolutely nothing, it's empty, so nothing's listed. I will create now directory that is gonna be SSH. When you press enter, it's gonna create it, but of course it's hidden. So if I just type ls, nothing's gonna show up. So I need to put ls, la, and let's say like that, list all. And then you will see all hidden directories. This dot means that it's hidden, it's not visible, but you can still list with LA Okay, let's clear it and let's cd into SSH. Okay, this is learning. As we can see, this type of key are not allowed in this mode. Of course, there's nothing, did not create anything. So then just let's create a regular one, SSH Key B2048 B RSA F, and then we need to name the key. And press enter. And then we need to type passphrase for this key. Press enter. Re-enter, same passphrase again, just to confirm it. Now we have generated our key. Now you can, with ls, check exactly what did you created. You're gonna have here regular key, your private one, and you're gonna have the .pub, public one that you're gonna share. I will clear it, clear the screen. And now we created SSH pair key, private one and public one, that will allow us to connect from my machine to cloud. I will recommend you to go to your main page and just go through getting started, documentation, because it's the best way of learning. So when you click it, it's gonna open a new tab. This page, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Documentation, where you're gonna have everything. Everything is gonna show you, and you can go one by one, learn and do stuff. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Thank you for staying with me. So just a small disclaimer. All the articles and documents that I will make on my website and these videos are just my personal learning process while working through Oracle Live Labs and Oracle Cloud hands-on workshops. One more time, thank you for staying with me and see you in next video. Bye bye.